Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Teams cache. So if you're using the new Microsoft Teams, the default for most users. So to start, quit Teams completely. So click this X button right here, or you can right click the Teams icon, then select quit Teams. So click on that. So next, you can also press Windows R. So press Windows R, then copy this one right here and paste it and click OK. Then delete all files and folders in that directory. So once done, restart Teams. So open Teams again. So after you delete all files and folders in that directory, restart Teams, then the cache will be rebuilt automatically. Next, another thing you can try is to go to Start menu and select Settings. Then from here, so once you open Settings, on the left side select Apps. Then under Apps, select Installed Apps. Then in the search bar, so click the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. So once it appears, go to the right side and select the three dots. Then from here, select Advanced Options. Next, scroll down and select Reset. So look for Reset, then click Repair. So this clears the app data and cache, but it also resets Teams settings. So once it's done, open Teams again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.